A U.S. civil rights official is off the job after serious felony charges have surfaced.
Deandre Pickett was charged with vehicular homicide in August of last year after a hit-and-run crash in College Park. But he continued in his official role until this week, when the victim's family started asking questions.
Fox 5's Rob D'Arienzo joins us now with more details. Rob?
Hey there, guys. Good evening to you both. Well, the victim's loved ones were stunned to learn that the suspect in this hit-and-run death was not only free, but serving on the Georgia Committee of the U.S. Commission on Civil Rights. Tonight, we can confirm he is off the job.
He hit a human being and did not stop.
53-year-old Joseph Banks III died in late August of last year when a car slammed into him on Old National Highway in College Park.
Joseph was crossing the street and a vehicle struck and hit him, and he died on impact.
Days later, state troopers arrested Deandre Pickett on charges of hit and run and vehicular homicide by leaving the scene. He paid a $50,000 bond and has been free in the 8 months since. A few weeks ago, LaToya Banks, the victim's sister, got curious.
I was like, you know what, let me just Google him.
And the results shook her.
And that's when everything popped up, like, his credentials. He was just appointed to his second term for the U.S. Commission of Civil Rights. And I was like, whoa, civil rights, because I didn't know that.
This past March, according to a news release, he was appointed to a second term on the Georgia Committee of the U.S. Commission of Civil Rights. 6 days later, he posted this picture of himself in front of the commission's logo on his Instagram.
For someone who hit and killed a human, didn't stop, didn't render aid, didn't call 911, I felt some type of way about that.
This week, after we started making calls, his name disappeared from the commission's website. A spokesperson tells us he resigned after the family contacted them. An attorney for Pickett tells Fox 5 he is, quote, overwhelmed with profound remorse and sorrow, adding, quote, Dr. Pickett has been a steadfast presence in the community throughout his life, and this incident stands in stark contrast to the values he has long upheld.
You're fighting for civil rights, or you empowering the youth, you're a mentor, but he killed a human being.
And I spoke to LaToya a little while ago after news of Pickett's resignation. She tells me she is relieved and hopes he has his day in court soon. The Fulton County District Attorney's Office tells us its investigation into this case is still active. Russ?
All right, we'll stay on top of this, Rob. Thanks.